Maintenance-free, also known as closed cells battery. The main difference compared between this and the standard is that the cells are closed. After initial filling with acid, you don't need to refill with de-ionized water. How to fit. The battery is delivered as dry and requires filling with acid. The pack always includes the exact quantity and comes in an easy fill bottle. Remove the protective foil from the battery and fill it with the acid pack. Leave to stand for an hour and then charge it with a suitable charger. Use the plastic top to cover the acid cells. After this, the battery is ready to be fitted and used. Never remove the plastic top. It doesn't require any further refilling with acid or de-ionized water. However, it might still require charging. Pros: maintenance-free, reliable, fairly priced, no acid leaking, widely available, can be fitted in up to 90-degree angle. Cons: not ready to be fitted. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a like. If you would like to see similar content, please subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications.